Hey guys, it's Sebastian and Christine. This is another video, but before we get into that, I just want to introduce you guys to our channel. We are Ninth Island Connection. If this is your first time here, take a look around. Go ahead and subscribe right now. You're going to want to. All we do is bring you Vegas. You're interested in Vegas, so you're watching this right here. Also, hit us up on social media. We're Instagramming, we're TikToking, we're snapping, we're everywhere. We're Ninth Island Connection. We also go live on Wednesdays between noon and 1 p.m. where we bring you a Vegas update. Also, check the description below because we actually have a television show that airs nationwide every single week. In the description below, you'll see our schedule.
All right, guys, in this video, we are heading to the plaza. This is technically not on Fremont Street Experience, but it's directly across. It's actually one main street. And this property actually opened way back in 1971. So there's tons of history, just like the rest of downtown Las Vegas. So in this video, we're gonna highlight some of the things that we think make the plaza a really cool, unique property in downtown Las Vegas. We feel like a lot of people may miss out on going to the plaza just because of its location, because it's not right in the mix of all the other casino properties that are right there in the Fremont Street Experience. And that's really too bad because this place has so much to offer, and we are going to get into highlighting some of the new things that the plaza has, as well as some of the things that have been there that people may not know about.
Plaza has been very, very busy working on renovations inside and out. It's just been a year since they've completed the exterior of the building. Most noticeable is going to be the iconic Carousel Bar. That's the lights right there that you've seen in many movies. This was Biff's place. This was in The Weekend video, Blinded by the Light. And this is also the first and only outdoor gaming bar in all of Las Vegas. Really cool right here. Even if you're not a gambler, don't want to game at the bar, this is definitely worth taking the time to go in and have a drink. And of course, every single one of these bulbs flashing right here was removed by hand and replaced by hand. Not one was damaged. This is definitely a must when the sun goes down. It is absolutely beautiful. They put in horses as well as some unique Vegas things like dice, cherries.
Another new addition that cannot be missed is Pink Box Donuts. Now, these are located throughout the Vegas Valley, and they've been voted Best Donuts in Las Vegas 2 years in a row. Now, they have all kinds of crazy donuts, including their infamous poo donuts. And just to clarify, those are donuts that are shaped like the poo emoji, not donuts made of poo, because that would be not so good. It's definitely a place to check out if you have a sweet tooth. There's a huge variety of different donuts that you can try, and it's also really cool for some photo ops.
All right, guys, the next big thing that they did is this right here. This is Brian Christopher Slott's first casino in Vegas. Yes, it's at the plaza, but it's its own thing. You can access it from outside, just like this, or from inside of the plaza, just off of registration. This is also the first 100% smoke-free casino in all of downtown. The only other one that I know of is Park MGM. If I'm missing something, you guys let me know in the comments. This is also the very first social media friendly casino in all of Las Vegas. What does that mean? That means when you come in here and you want to record, you want to take pictures, you want to FaceTime somebody, they're not going to chase you out. They actually encourage you to do it, which I think is pretty telling of where the plaza is, because we're all social these days. If you're not familiar with Brian Christopher, check him out on social media.
The Sand Dollar downtown opened inside of the plaza back in May of 2022. And this is the second Sand Dollar in Vegas. The original one is in Spring Mountain. This one is a little bit larger, but they both have free live music. And during the holidays like Christmas and Halloween, they go all out with their decorations, as well as creating different holiday themed craft cocktails. It's pretty cool. You definitely want to check it out if you're in Vegas over the holidays. And if it's not during the holidays, it's still a really fun place to check out, watch some free live music, and have a great cocktail. In addition to entering through the casino, you can also enter the Sand Dollar outside on the street near rideshare.
We have to talk about a unique feature inside. This is the Wheel of Fortune zone at the plaza. Wheel of Fortune is a very popular machine for a lot of tourists that come in from across the country. They have an entire area dedicated to just Wheel of Fortune. All different types of Wheel of Fortunes as well. So you might find something new if you played Wheel of Fortune somewhere else. This is definitely worth coming in and checking out.
Now, located on the second floor is Las Vegas Jerky's. This is such a cool little store. You can get all kinds of different snacks, in addition to some really unique flavors of beef jerky, including boozy jerky.
Let's head upstairs to Oscar's Steakhouse. Look at these views right here. It is absolutely beautiful. Portion of the movie Casino was actually filmed here as well. They have a patio that just recently opened. If you're downtown and you're looking for a more upscale, fine dining type environment with amazing food, views, and service, this is the place for you. Oscar's Steakhouse is the namesake for Oscar Goodman himself. There's Oscar Goodman right there standing up. He was actually an attorney for many years in Las Vegas. He was the personal attorney to the alleged mob in Vegas as well. He was also mayor for 3 consecutive terms. He was succeeded by his wife, Carolyn Goodman. Together, they have been mayors of Las Vegas for almost a quarter of a century. If you're a history buff and a Vegas history buff, you definitely want to come in here and just take a look around. If you're feeling like Vegas, have one of these double sapphire gin martinis to start your day. There's also a jalapeno in there for an extra kick. That is his signature drink. Now let's talk about the food. Starting with the chopped salad, they've got an amazing mac and cheese. Look at that tomahawk right there. It is so good. Everything is made from scratch and to order, just like the salad is right here. No pre-made dishes in this restaurant. You're gonna love it. You're gonna wanna do yourself a favor and order this right here. That's the crab cake. One of the coolest things about going to Oscar's Steakhouse is that you may actually run into him. He does hang out there and he loves it when people say hi. They also have special events with Oscar Goodman. So if you want to meet a Vegas legend, check it out.
Now, most people have heard of pickleball. After all, it is the fastest growing sport. But pickleball has been around at the Plaza for years. They actually have several pickleball courts located on their rooftop pool area. And this is free for guests to play at. They also hold different pickleball tournaments here throughout the year.
The Plaza is also home to Core Arena, and that's where they have the Las Vegas Days Rodeo and the NFR, the National Finals Rodeo. Vegas is definitely cowboy country, and I think you guys would be as surprised as I was when I first saw all of the cowboys in Vegas. I even saw a cowboy riding his horse down Main Street in downtown Vegas drinking a beer. You can't make this stuff up, guys.
Another cool thing about the Plaza is that they host fireworks every 4th of July and on New Year's Eve. They also have started during the summer months having fireworks every Friday at 9:15 p.m. So that is really cool. Definitely something to see.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. Let us know your thoughts. What do you think about the Plaza in downtown Las Vegas? Thank you so much for watching this video, supporting our channel. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. You will not be disappointed. All we do is bring you Vegas. Hit us up on social media. We're on Instagram. We're TikToking, we're snapping, we're threading, we're everywhere. We're Ninth Island Connection. We also go live every Wednesday between the hours of noon and 1 p.m. Vegas time, where we give you a heads up on what to expect that upcoming weekend. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on 9th Island Connection.